Dashboards allow you to organize frequently viewed data in one place and quickly manipulate various data display. Users can create multiple dashboards. There is no limit to how many dashboards you may personalize, and once you select a chart for the dashboard you created, you can change the chart type. You can simply edit chart types by selecting New Chart and save by clicking the Save button on the bottom right-hand side. You can delete or reconfigure existing dashboards at any time. There are many different layouts available. However, before choosing your desired layout, you will need to decide what kind of chart you wish to display. Not every type of chart is compatible with every layout in the dashboard menu. There are three types of layout configurations. Single layout allows all types of charts to be displayed, while large layout allows line charts, map charts, pie charts, and list charts. Small layout can display line charts and pie charts. After configuring the user dashboard, you may enable the Real-Time toggle button located at the top right of the selection screen. Data will be output from selected chart in real time based on a rolling 30-minute window. You can disable this feature at any time. If the chart is displaying information in real time, then data will not change according to the historical calendar parameters. You can set up separate dashboards to view real-time data and historical data simultaneously.